South Central Center County in central Pennsylvania, North Central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warriors Mark, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Park Forest Village, Stormstown, Warriors Mark, Ramblewood, and Rock Springs. Radar has indicated rotation within a severe thunderstorm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 54 to 60. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Centre and Huntingdon. State College has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Centre County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, until 11 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash. Encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain, low water crossings are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Centre, and Huntingdon.